Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about art and craft. Now in this video we're actually going to make this beautiful soap dish. So I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get stuck right into it. Okay, so I've already got all my colours mixed up and we're actually going to do this soap holder. And this is a gorgeous soap holder too. So the colours that I've mixed up is, this one is a metallic resin pigment. And I've got this off Temu. Then I've got some mica powder. And this one is a beautiful green, as you can see there. Okay. And then the other one I've done is some chameleon powder, and also got this off Temu, and it's purple, red and golden. So, and what we're going to end up doing is pouring all three into here. But before we do that, what I actually want to do, now I'm going to have to see if I've got, oh yeah, I should be able to reach it. I've got this Solar Gold, which is by Pearl X, and what we're going to do is, I'm going to grab a little makeup brush, but what I'm going to do is fold this over. I might have to zoom out a little bit, maybe. Yeah. And I've got now some of that pigment paste on my hand. Never mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the gold on these two rows. And we're going to do it very, very carefully because we don't want it anywhere else. So we're just going to rub it on, and what I'll do is I'll fast forward, like speed up the video so that you guys don't have to put up with me doing this, because this will take a little bit and we're going to have to clean up some areas after. Okay, so now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to grab a baby wipe. I'm going to try and wipe away the gold that's in areas it's not supposed to be, so that we have a nice clean finish. I'm just going to do it very, very carefully. Alright, there we go. I think that's about as good as we're going to get it. We're just going to move it back without getting it on our fingers. like so. Okay, so we've done the entire area like we want it to. Now there are some areas where I must have wiped it off. I'm just going to leave it. It gives it that little bit of a rustic look anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up where I've got my heat mat, only because I can't move it afterwards. So I'll see if I can move you guys at the same time. How's that? So I'm going to put it there. It's actually being a little tricky today because I'm having it so far away. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go in with that metallic blue first. So I'm going to pour a little bit in, and I'm just going to do it from the top here, like so. And I might have to make some more up afterwards, I'm not sure. I'll just play it all by ear. And now I'm going in with the green. Yeah, I've got the feeling I might not have made enough up. But that's okay. Okay, now that I've got it this far, I'll do it a little bit more. Go the green again. Basically, I've just come up to here because what we want to do is get any bubbles out that might be there. Now I can't really put any more in there, so what I'm going to do is my usual trick. Hang on, I'm just going to clean my hands off. My usual trick is I'm just going to use this one. Put that next to it. And instead of using the wooden spoon, I'm actually going to use my plastic one. Now I'm going to grab my little lighter. And we're just going to pop some of those bubbles. With this little stick, I'm just going to go around the edges here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disappear. I'm going to leave it for the minute, and I'll come back and just check if there's any more bubbles that have popped up. If they haven't, I'll let it cure, and once it's cured, we will demold and we'll see what we've come up with. So I'll see you back in a second for you guys, a few hours for me. Okay, so it's the next day and it's time for the reveal. So let's see what this... Oh wow, that came out pretty cool. What do you think? So there's a nice soap dish. I'm going to have to tidy this up a little bit at the back here. But other than that, it came out pretty good. And let's see what we came up with out of these. Oh wow, look at that. Definitely two different colours in there. Because if you can remember, we basically just used up the scrap that we had. There's another one. Another one. Up. So this one literally just shows more of the blue, but on the side it's got the green mica. But a little bit of the green is actually showing through, so that's pretty cool. And these ones were just the green, if I remember right. Yep. So, and I'll probably make something out of them. Maybe a little necklace thing or something, or I don't know yet. It's literally just, you know, using up the leftover. So there you have it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified of any new videos that are coming up. And honestly, if you did enjoy this, then be sure to give us a thumbs up, because that will really help us out, because it'll get the video out to more people. So with the next video, I'm still umming and ahhing which one I'm going to do next, because yeah, there's a lot of different molds that I've got that I want to make stuff out of, so I can build up my stock in the reception area for people to purchase. So yeah, so we'll just keep having fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.